everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this girl, this lady, this woman, do well to join this beautiful family. Let me drop this quote. My people, I come with peace, okay? I come with peace. It's about help when I talk about. You see this life, some people, no matter what you try to talk, some people will look at like say, wait till they talk, make sense, or wait till they talk, good. When some people will find something inside, and I say about sReality. Yes, that her video when I do about a maid, then I receive some message inside. I receive some comments. These comments, I want to try address those comments. Yes, I want to try address those comments because I'm a content creator. I look at like say some people agree, some people not agree. Why those people will not agree? To show say person like you, they do one. How could you carry underage 30 years old speaking underage? You they use her as a house girl. Then you go deny her school. You go deny her work. This particular message, one comment, one I will first read. Let's go there, my people, so that una go see wetin I dey try to talk is about help. Wetin una think about that help when I talk about say it's good to carry mature lady. I not say make you not carry help. I not say make you not carry house help. Why not? You carry house help. I not talk like that. But respect children. Don't abuse children. Taking underage, you dey abuse children. If na western world now you will go for it, you'll go prison, you'll go face the law. You understand? But I was shocked. Set of people, some people not agree. I was totalized. It don't reach one time when YouTube go dey open person when they comment. As you just dey comment, YouTube go open your bumbo. You go let people know say now this person now they comment this comment. If they pay me, say some people I don't know who be that person when they drop that comment. So that we go know say you are one of them. Yes, you are one of them. You know me say you get house help today, you don't know tomorrow, you don't know the day when you go break it tomorrow. First of all, let's talk about our mama grandma space. Thank you very much, ma, for dropping this beautiful message for us. When I read your message, in fact my mind, in fact it drink me reader. I was so happy to see this kind of comment. I need to address the comment, though I never reply your comments. She said grandma space. I trace her. She not be content creator. I tried to go search for her so that me I follow her. Come back say grandma she not be content creator. Okay, she said my help joined me last year, January 2022. She is 17 years. Listen, she is 17 years and already in SS3 when she come. I enroll her in. She enroll her for those our wife neko. Now she did a polytechnic. She said she got to talk. She said she got admission in a polytechnic before election in Nigeria. She left for school. Last Sunday, her parents will never forget me. You hear that? They are sending people to me, to my house almost every day to thank me. You now hear that? I think I put the comment. Now go read down. Grandma space. She not be content creator and she dropped this comment. This woman when drop this comment, she not be baby. Before she choose grandma space. Now read grandma. Why I bring this topic come aside? May I read the other one? May una hear other person opinion. He said, how can you take a house help and send them to school and get back home to do work? And send them back and get back home to do housework. That girl will be tired. She will have school lesson to do at home. From the teacher, you not make sense. Wahala, get out. And you get out of my channel. Let me address these two people. A lot of comments there. But these two people, let me address before the third one. You, when you come my comment section, where you tell me, say, house help, if you go school, if she come back from school, she go get tired. May you get out, not me, because you come my channel, you come my comment section, you can't drop this kind of message. As you there, I pray may you not face hard time, and I pray may you not face difficulty. If you face hard time, person go come, go carry your pikin, your teenage pikin. You know, put am for school. As you get money now, you get access to internet, you get access to everything. Then they'll carry your pikin when you dey papa. Just because of say hard time, it can't knock your door. Not be Nigeria when we don't get government. We get government, but it's like we don't get government when they rule the country. Rich man, if you want poor, now trickle of eye, rich man go poor. Government not there to assist. Now you come my comment section, say you not make sense, may you get out. When you they grow up, you this lady or you this guy, when you they grow up, you know they go school for your mother house. If you come back from school, you know they do house choice. Me, when I they go school that time, when I go there my primary school, if I come back from my school, I go still join my mom, do things when she they do. Help my mom do house choice, my mom do everything. e no mean say I go school I no fit do house choice. If you take that child as your own pikin, that pikin, because I know say make una carry pikin when now they put for school. I talk in different way for that Sandra reality video when I make. I say if you know say you want take house help, take my child, no abuse children. Teenage, you dey carry teenage, you dey carry small children, 8 years. It makes sense for you. 8 years old pikin, make dey do you in fact you present her to us say she's your house help. Are you for real? You be human. 8 years old pikin, you take and say make we see your house help, make we dey clap am for you. Then the pikin no go school 8 years, the pikin no learn anything 8 years, but your own go school. Then when the one wey be 8 years come back from school, come she go tire to do house chores. Then you go look for my age mate, you go look for mature lady. I no say make you no look for mature lady, look for mature lady. Then mature lady go do am for you. You understand? As far you carry teenage put for house, that teenage cater for that pikin as you take dey cater for your own, because that teenage get future. But if you carry somebody like me, wetin, whether e go school not go school, not concern you, because I don be adult, I don be mother. You understand? You come my comment section, say wetin I talk, me I get out. Wetin I talk? As if you carry small pikin, you just carry person small pikin. Your pikin dey go school for their present. Na be the sense wey I no make. Your pikin dey go school for their present. Then you go close eye, you carry that small pikin as your housemaid, collect sense. Sometimes me una no dey draw comment because of hate. If you no like me, I no beg you. Everybody can like me, everybody can agree with I talk. I just dey try to make my own on my channel. Go and open your channel and make your sense there. And if you want to drop comment, in fact reasonable comment when human being go see, go read, go say wow, na better person I drop this comment. How could you underage? You say underage go school, go come back, she or he go tire. They no carry any other age. For Europe, you know try and they no born you rich. Carry underage. As I even be self, they no born you say me I go dey stay with you, do house help. No. Now pay you go dey pay me every month, every hours when I come your house. If na 8 hours I work with you, go pay me, I'll go back to my house. Now so Europe be. I pray my country be like that. In the Africa, we too dey oppress people just because of the little change when we get. You don't know tomorrow. Things can turn around. You come my comments, you say, how can a small pikin go school, he go come back, she go tire? When you know say small pikin go tire, then you carry mature person. If you carry small pikin, then fix her or him for school, because wetin good for your children, good for that pikin, because tomorrow it go grow. Which pay you dey pay that pikin? You now go tell me say those small children na dey carry, na dey pay them. Wetin I tell their mama? I want train her for school, I want train her. Then now come present her to us say na una help. Me una fear God o. You dey among of just this person when drop this comment, you join among of the people when they use people children. How could you come my comment section, they say and that makes sense? Because when be they grow up, I go school, when they go my primary school. If I come back, I dey assist my mom for house choice. I go assist my mom do things. I go assist my mom, still help her sell things. Wetin you dey talk? Wetin you dey talk? Now my sister Sandra reality, now she come out, I say to get house help now dey hard. He say, be like say they search for a good wife. I come tell her, say, she says she gets a person, that girl, he really love her, the girl, they do things well. And her uncle say, me come back. I say, what did she for do? She for say, me, they stay with her. Then from her house, she would go school. One of my sister, Vicky gonna say, no, that girl, now investing, now she want enter. Don't be secondary school, no primary school. I still understand. Okay, if you search for mature person, because she still talking and say, she look for mature person, the mature person, no, bend down for her. Grammar space. Thank you very much, mommy. As I see that your comment, it triggered me to go address that comment. Yes, the other comment. You see, as you do, the parents, they appreciate you, not only the patient. God in heaven, he appreciate that work when you do. You know, say you carry 17 years old girl, say make she not further school, because you know what of school, you know the importance of school. If the pikin no go school, you put am for work, na still something. You know the importance of that child's future. But some of people, like this person when drop that comment, when she say make she get out, those kind of people, they know how to use people. They know those kind of people. It pay me say Nigeria never civilized like abroad. Nigeria na still third world country. I pray make Nigeria enter second at all. Make people like no, they use people children like us. Make una they face the consequence. Make una they face the, in fact, make una they face the law. Now grandma, now elderly woman, now drop this comment now say her 17 years old help she send her back to school. Then you dey tell me say if he come back for school she no fit do anything. Fear God. You don't know day when he go break you tomorrow. You that comment, and when you drop that comment, fear God. Grandma, God will bless you as you do this thing. You don't even know tomorrow whether this child will come back to you, to even take care of you. When we dey sow today, no be today, we will reap her in future. If you even sow and give me, you no reap her for me, another person, God will use am pay you back. Another person, God will use am pay your children. Another person, God will use am pay your grandchildren. We should be very careful. At least you don't read that comment, this grandma space comment. She pay me say she no be content creator, but as she drop her, go trace her. Until you see her, now woman, now you drop this kind of comment. Collect sense. Okay? Collect sense. Wait till they no do your picking, not do another person picking. Another person comment still there. Stop exploiting children on the name of house help. Children must go to school, amen. Play with their mates, amen. And learn to do choice here or there. You hear that? This person win, God will bless you too. God will bless you. If you can't afford to pay an adult a proper salary, they work decent hours, then you can't afford help, and you are an exploiter. Now feel that by myself. I think what this my sister talk. Win. Now true. If you don't say you no fit pay adults, children must play with their mates. Children must go to school. We stand with that. Children must go to school and children must play with their mates. If you know say you no fit take care of other person children, take am as your own. Don't try it. Those small children who now they carry as a house help, at the end una go deny them for school, una deny them to play. Me dey tell una, if na pikin no go school, make una let na pikin dey with una. If na garri na soak eat, by tomorrow na pikin go grow. If na kernel una dey break dey eat together, it's better to go to that house when they say they wan help una take care of una children, so that make una children na lie, they no dey take care of them. It's better they just dey with una with the illiterate than go stay another person house dey be illiterate without they no go school. Yes. Wetin una think? Hey, people just drop video. Wetin una think about these 3 comments when I read? My people, drop your own opinion. Let's stop abusing children. Stop abusing children. If you need house help, go carry mature woman. You can carry mature woman, go help you wash your clothes. You can carry mature woman, go help you clean house. Then the rest house choice, fake some. Now so you will be, and now so you go be to my country too. What you think? Drop the comment in the comment section. I will still put sReality picture because now she triggered this video when the video the long. I'll see you in my next video. Till I meet in my next. Never subscribe. Join this beautiful family. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Join this beautiful family. You want to subscribe. Happy Easter! Today na Easter. Today na Easter.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.